Welcome to the AmazingRibs.com First Look Review Highlights. This short video is a quick overview of the Charbroil Performance 17-inch portable gas grill that briefly points out a few noteworthy features which are detailed in our written review. You can read our thorough written review of all the strengths and weaknesses after running temperature tests and cooking on it on AmazingRibs.com at the link in this video. Here we have the Charbroil 17-inch portable gas griddle. This is a great little compact griddle, very simple to use. It has a 280 square inch cook surface and runs off 1-pound propane canisters. The fuel regulator connects on the side. It's easy to travel with. These raised sides block wind. Heat comes from a single U-shaped burner under the griddle center, so it tends to get a little hot in the center and cooler on the edges. But that's actually nice because you get 2 temperature zones to manage cooking. Scrape gunk into this opening, then empty out the removable grease tray. The igniter generates a spark when you turn the control knob. You can see the burner flame from a small opening under the griddle. There is no lid. Holes drilled at the back could accommodate a lid, but one isn't included and none are offered as an option. Lids increase your versatility, so I'd add one. But even without it, this little griddle is nice. The single 15,000 BTU burner gets plenty hot. It's compact, only weighs about 23 pounds. Travel ready for camping or tailgating. Excellent for burgers, breakfasts, fajitas, steaks. Very simple setup too. Nice going, Charbroil. Be sure to read our complete written review because AmazingRibs.com is the biggest, baddest barbecue website in the universe.